useless and they're baseless, and it is extremely unprofessional.
Sunny, here, Lipika. How are you? Okay, Sunny, hosting the show with Run Vijay. How was it?
It was nice. बहुत मज़ा आया. I had a lot of fun. हमने बहुत मस्ती किया. And like I said before, it was a completely different experience this time because Run Vijay's personality is, as you see, it's loud, it's funny. He has so much energy, and it makes it very, very easy to work with somebody like this. And yes, it's infectious. So I had a lot of fun.
Sunny, was your husband insecure
For
hosting with Run Vijay? And did he try ways to get into your walk into your heart?
So just so you guys know, Run Vijay is married. He has a beautiful wife. I have a great relationship with both of them. So the answer to that is absolutely not. My husband's a very secure man, as you guys can imagine. Everything that we've gone through with our lives. He's an angel. He's very secure. He's a man. And I don't think that he would ever feel insecure at all.
एडिंग टू इट, आपकी नई नई शादी हुई है, सनी लियोनी की हॉटनेस से आपकी वाइफ कितनी इनसिक्योर्ड हुई?
Actually, Sunny and my wife are great friends. बहुत सारे इन्होंने डिनर्स विनर्स किए. इनके इंटरेस्ट एक जैसे हैं. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ यार. एक्चुअली जब मैंने शादी की ना, वो इसीलिए की क्योंकि ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी नहीं तो मैं नहीं करता.
Well, his wife is from the US. So actually क्या हुआ जब हम डिनर करते थे, प्रियंका and I ज़्यादा बात करते थे and Run Vijay ऐसे बैठते थे. So he probably felt left out.
I was feeling insecure of my wife and Sunny getting along so much.
Run Vijay, hi. I believe you're hosting Splitsvilla for the first time here.
Where?
Hi.
You know me.
How are you?
Great. So you're hosting Splitsvilla for the first time. So from Roadies to Splitsvilla, how has the transition been?
I did the first season. That was a story of two boys from Roadies who were looking for love. The reason was the same that I came this side this time because I really do believe in love. And I think everybody should give it their... When we were in school and college, everybody was really worried about being successful, finding a career. And सबने उसके लिए खूब ट्रेनिंग किया, खूब पापड़ बेले. लेकिन एक अच्छा प्यार, एक अच्छा पार्टनर पाने के लिए कहीं पर भी कोई भी जगह नहीं है जहाँ पे आप टेस्ट किए जाते हो. This is the only place in a fun way, in a way where you test your limits for love. And I really think कि एक ऐसा शो है जहाँ पर इस चीज के लिए, प्यार के लिए इन लड़कों को या ऐसे यूथ को कहीं पे भी टेस्ट नहीं किया जाता. So I think that's why I want to be back. And of course, the opportunity to work with Sunny. And the way MTV is, you know, there was a time when people would tune into MTV to watch videos back when it was launched. Today, for the youth, you want to see fiction, you want to see music, you want to see cool adventure reality shows. Everything is on the channel, so I would love to work with the channel in every capacity, and especially Splitsvilla doing so well. I was really happy and honored, and after doing the whole season, I'm really, really happy that I took this decision because we had such a blast, and it's going to be awesome.
Sunny?
Sunny,
Yes.
There, right at the back.
Sunny, celebrities like Rakhi Sawant and Salina Jetli making some baseless and useless comment regarding you. Does it hurt you as an individual, as a celebrity?
No, because in your question, you had already given the answer. They're useless and they're baseless, and it is extremely unprofessional. You never see an actor or an actress at a certain level saying anything bad about anybody else in the way that they have. So it's their prerogative. They want to be categorized in the same box, so I can't do anything about it. Jo bolna bol do, mere liye theek hai.
Sunny, congratulations. We've just got to know that you're doing a film with Akshay. You know, you have a cameo in Sing is Bling. So congratulations to you on that. In a recent interview, you told us that, you know, the level of acceptance in Bollywood is very low when it comes to you. So do you feel things are changing now since you're working with A-listers?
Well, I'm not sure about anything that you're talking about, but as far as acceptance goes, I have acceptance from my fans. I have acceptance from this channel, from MTV, which is very important to me. Being a part of a brand like MTV, being able to be in movies is something that I've always wanted. So I have the acceptance where I want it. When it comes to A-listers, देखते क्या होता है future में.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, sorry. Yeah. Addy would like to add something to that.
I don't know if you heard me say earlier that Splitsvilla Season 7, for the first time, there's no show in our genre that has ever got 100 million viewers. And that happened with Splitsvilla 7. And she was on that show. That was the first season that she did. So I think the fans, what the audience says is what matters to everybody, right? So that's a number that we're going to beat this year now.